Alright, it's Sunday, May 12th. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Jack and I are back out here in the 4th season. Gonna see if we can't get some birds. We're trying out some new land that we got permission on and came out here and tried the whole call some, and my shot gobbled a little, so hopefully we can get them to come in a little bit.
Coming up. Yeah. I only see 3 now. I don't know where they're done. Oh, there it is. He's way to left now.
My brother Nick, he walked down over the hill, and we were about getting ready to go, and he saw a few jakes. So now we have them stop up here filming us, and we're gonna go try and get one.
Stay behind that. How do they know? I lost them. They're coming right at us. Can you see them there at all yet? Don't move. They're gonna come right to us. Make sure at least you This might work, okay? Just don't move a lot. My foot hurts so bad. Are you pretty steady there? Yeah. Start getting your head down, Jack. Good time. Can you see him? Yeah. Alex, you're gonna have to tell me which one to shoot because I can't watch very much. Yeah. Just make sure you only shoot one. Okay. How far are they? I don't know. They in range? I think they're in range, yeah. What? Yeah, I think so. Can you shoot that? Which is way? All the way to the right. Can you shoot the right one? All the way to the right. Shoot the right one if you can. That way, Jack! He still reached it! Oh, yeah! Woo! And a baby!
Hey,
Got him reaped.
hey, let's go up there.
Oh, yeah.
We're so good.
Can't believe you reaped one.
I'm recording for you today.
Alright, it's May 12th today, into 4th season. Got out with Jack and JC, they both have tags, and myself and Alex came along to film, but our main priority was getting Jack a bird. It's his second year hunting, and now he's got a second bird, right?
Yeah.
Want to tell us what happened today? Tell us right from the start. Start.
So we got up at 3:30, and we started getting dressed. And we got to the truck, and then we drove here, and then at like, what time was it at the first group game? Like 6.
Right out of the roost, they came out on the field.
Right out of the roost, there was a bunch of birds on the field behind us. And so we couldn't get a shot on them, but they came on this field. There was 5 jakes and
5 toms.
5 toms
Four
and
jakes.
4 jakes.
A few hens only.
And a few hens only. And and then we didn't get a shot at any of those, so my brother Nick, he was gonna come see if we should put the ground blind down here tonight. And So he came down here and he brought the Reaper decoy just in case, and then he saw 4 jakes, and then he came up to the ground blind and asked me if I wanted to shoot a jake, and I said yes. So then me, Alex, and Nick walked down there behind reaping decoys. JC stayed in the blind to film, and
Kept coming.
and then we kept coming. Then we came down here, and then they walked straight up at us, and then I got my second jake and my second bird.
Well, nice job. We're all proud of you. We've all had fun hunting with you. So that time will come sometime soon yet, maybe yet this year, right? Huh?
Yeah.
So we can keep getting you tags and keep trying, but that's a good bird and you did a good job taking your time, and that red dot sight really helps out, huh?
Yeah.
Makes
And
it easier.
And who did you reap a turkey before? All of us.
You, everybody.
Yeah, all of
does.
All of us. First one to reap a turkey on film, right?
Yep.
So nice job, and get yourself a tom now, huh?
Thanks. Thanks.
Oh, and happy Mother's Day, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy Mother's
Happy
Day,
Mother's Day,
Mom.
Mom.
Grandma.
Everybody.
All
mothers. Alright, so I just drove past this field where Jack shot his bird this morning, and there's a lone tom right out just off the road a little ways, so I'm waiting for Alex. He said he's a few minutes out here, and him and I are going to get out there with the reaping decoys, and he's going to film me and see if we can't get another bird off this field right away this morning, so we'll see what happens. I don't see anything yet. Where? Yep. He's coming, I think. You just stay behind me a little bit. Yeah, he's coming. He's coming.
comes. He's coming. All right. Oh.
2 of them. Same field. He's further out than I thought he was yet.
Yeah, he was a ways.
He looked closer than
Reap job. Oh my
First
gosh.
That's the biggest spurt I've ever got.
Was it as easy?
Those things are a dagger.
Was it as easy as this morning?
Look at those things. Oh my god.
I saw him out there. I'm like,
Long
oh,
beard,
I gotta
too.
call Alex. We gotta kill this thing.
Nice going.
Was it as easy
I
as this
seriously
morning?
thought he was only at like 20 yards when I got. Well, it's hard when you're crouched down like that. And I was also like trying to get a spot where I wasn't shooting when he was strutting facing me, you know?
That was awesome.
Those things work.
Must have been pretty aggressive.
Yeah, he came all the way. He did come a long ways. Holy cow. Came all the way from that rock pile.
Aggressive coming in.
We got him.
Was it as
Strutting
easy
at
as
him.
this morning?
He was not
Pretty
gonna
much.
mess around.
I hit his leg there with a shot. He's further than I thought.
Looks like he might have.
Why, I already see it.
Just where it's bleeding.
You did the same thing
I
again.
can't believe the hook's on him.
Yeah, those things. Oh my gosh. Them are sharp.
Size comparison. There's a thumb. Get a thumb or something by that.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
Holy cow! Those things are massive.
That would hurt getting that to the face.
What do you think, Jack?
Look at that.
Oh, that happened quick.
What is that, like 40 yards?
Yeah, it was a poke. All the way back there.
Well, it's May 12th today. Mom's gonna be eating good tonight because Jack and I just pulled off getting 2 birds off the same field in the same day here for Mother's Day. So we're gonna be bringing turkey home for her. But Jack reaped his bird this morning. Alex and I went with him, and we were side by side. And 4 Jakes came running in at us, and he killed his second turkey ever. And then we ran home and grabbed stuff to come back out for Mother's Day at our grandparents here. And I drove past this field, and this Tom was out here by himself, so I called up Alex and I asked him how long it was going to be till he got here, and he said he was just a few minutes out. So I'm like, all right, pull down the gravel road here and come over by me and get ready, and we'll go out and we'll try to reap this thing too. So he came out here, and he was in the fence line there in the trees just a little bit, and yeah, probably 300 yards away or so, and we couldn't see him there, but I knew he was down there, so I brought a mouth call along and made a few calls, and next thing you know, you could see him coming back out from the fence line, and we didn't really crawl all that far because he just kept coming towards us, and once he was getting closer, we just stayed put, and he came right in, and Man, I tell you, this big bird. This is probably the biggest bird I've ever killed. He's got, I don't know how long they are, but he's got some big spurs on him. He's heavy. Just a good bird. So we're on a roll. Hopefully tonight we can get JC and Austin a bird. We know there's still 4 toms here and not many hens from sitting this morning, so we don't think it's actually too spooked up that we'll go back out in the blind tonight and maybe we can find one of them alone and get them a bird. So hopefully Mother's Day keeps getting better.